Hello everyone. In case of animals, electrical signals are used for coordination. It is faster, but it has its own limitations. Firstly, it reaches only to those cells that are connected by nervous tissue, not each and every cell. Secondly, it cannot continually create and transmit electrical impulses. So, there is another means of communication between cells, namely chemical communication. At cellular level, cells release many chemicals which will diffuse around to transmit information. It is slower but effective at cellular level as it would reach all the cells. And plant uses this chemical communication method to respond to stimuli. Basically, the stimulated cells release a chemical compound. This compound diffuses all around the original cell. Now, if the other cells around detect this compound using special molecules on their surfaces, then they are able to recognize information and even transmit it. For example, when plants detect light, auxin hormone, which stimulates plant growth, diffuses to shady side of the plant. This concentration of auxin stimulates the cell to grow longer on the side of the shoot which is away from the light. Thus, the plant appears to bend towards light. In plants, many other hormones make biological changes in response to certain stimuli or condition. For example, gibberellins, auxin, cytokinins, etc. promote rapid growth. Plants use abscisic acid when growth needs to be stopped. Ethylene is an important natural plant hormone that ripens fruit. Plant hormones gibberellins are responsible for germination, sprouting of seeds, but obviously in response to certain stimuli and in certain conditions. So, plant uses chemical communication wonderfully to coordinate with the environment. The hormones are synthesized at places away from where they act and simply diffuse to the area of action. So to sum up, what are the important plant hormones? Auxin is a plant hormone produced in the stem tip that promotes cell elongation. Gibberellins are plant hormones that help in the growth of stem. Cytokinins are plant hormones that promote cell division. And lastly, abscisic acid is a plant hormone that inhibits growth. So that was all for today. Bye bye.